It's highway robbery.
I see nothing wrong.
Dude, I was telling my mom I was low on blood sugar, and I said 50 blood sugar. I was about to say 50 health. Oh my god, what is wrong? My mind is fried.
Your mind is rotting from the inside.
Full-blown gamer.
Wow.
That's like that 4chan post where it's like, be me, working at Walmart, hate my life. Now turning into a video game. Me stacking the shelves is getting achievements. Me eating is getting health booster.
What?
And he's like, I love my life now.
What are you talking about?
So funny.
Oh, you get sap from the mahogany tree? That's beautiful. It's free fertilizer.
How
It's
much
every
do you
day. 7. And you get it every day.
get? 7?
Yeah.
Cut down the tree, you get 6.
You don't know anything about renewable energy, huh?
You gotta be kidding me. Oh my god, I got too many seeds again.
What are you talking about, dude?
I'm quitting this game, bro. I can't do this.